What's up, guys? Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports here in Jacksonville, Florida, and we're doing our first ever 222 electric bicycle sale by Bintelli. What is the 222 sale, you ask? Not only are you going to get a $250 off discount off of every electric bike, you are going to get a cruise for two and a 2-year warranty. We have a full line of electric bicycles below, from not only a trike bike, to a step-through bike, to a beach cruiser, to a folding bike. We have all of the electric bicycles in stock at both locations. 222 means you're gonna get a cruise for two. You have 2 years to use it. You can go anywhere in your country on us. Not only are you gonna get a free cruise, you are going to get a 2-year warranty and an additional $250 off every bicycle. We know everybody loves to ride in pairs, so it's time for you to save and shop with Bintelli and Jaguar Power Sports in Jacksonville, Florida. 222 promotion will be going off at both locations, both the Mayport location and the Jacksonville Westside location. We have every make and model of every color in stock. We urge you, come in for a free test drive. If you haven't shopped with us before, you can visit our website at www.jaguarpowersports.com, or you can visit us at either location, or you can give us a call. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know, but this 2-2 promotion ends at the end of this month. This will be the first time we ever do this promotion, and it is a huge discount. It's over $1,500. So if you and your significant other are looking to ride, no matter if you're looking for a step-through or a trike or a beach bike, come and see us at Jaguar Power Sports and you will get the 222 promotion. It's a limited time offer, so do not wait. Free test drives available, but this is over a $1,485 discount if you purchase 2 bicycles. We have every make and model. We hope to earn your business. Bintelli is right out of Charleston, South Carolina, so it's an American-made company. If you have any questions, we can help you. But come in for a free test drive. We have the trikes, we have the beach bike, we have the new Fusion. We have the folding bike for all of you RVers and boaters out there. It folds into a backpack. We have the E1, the B1, the step-through, and then we also have some gas bicycles as well. So no matter what you're looking for, Jaguar Power Sports can help you. We guarantee the lowest prices, the most affordable rates, and you will go on a cruise on us for a limited time offer. Look at this. Look at this cruise. We've had multiple people go before. You get Carnival, Royal Caribbean, you get to go on Princess Kelly. You pick the cruise, you pick the destination. The only thing that you have to do is have a great time on us. If you have any questions, visit our website below at www.jaguarpowersports.com. We do offer financing, we also do offer layaway. But if you have any questions, we're here to help. Free test drives at both stores. We hope to earn your business. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.